English check past tense. I was.
Byl jsem.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, time traveler. Ready to conquer check past tense with laughs and speed? This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. For more free goodies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we'll master check, was, were, I was equals.
Byl jsem.
You were, singular, equals.
Byl jsi.
He was equals.
On byl.
She was equals.
Ona byla.
It was equals.
To bylo.
We were equals.
Byli jsme.
You were, plural, equals.
Byli jste.
They were equals.
Byli.
Strap in, past tense, but present fun. Your goal today. By the end, you'll say every form fast, clear, and confidently. I was.
Byl jsem.
If you're female.
Byla jsem.
Closing parenthesis. You were, SG, to a man.
Byl jsi.
To a woman.
Byla jsi.
Closing parenthesis. He was.
On byl.
She was.
Ona byla.
It was.
To bylo.
We were.
Byli jsme.
You were, plural.
Byli jste.
They were.
Byli.
Mini dialogue. Where were we? Shadow the lines, repeat after me and act it out. A. Yesterday, where were you? B. I was at home.
Byl jsem.
Doma. A. And Tom? B.
On byl.
V. Prachi. A. Anna? B.
Ona byla.
V. Kine. A. The concert? B.
To bylo.
Scavelle. A. And us? B. Jasne.
Byli jsme.
Tam Taki. A. The staff told us. B.
Byli jste.
Mock Millie. A. And the fans? B.
Byli.
Nadsini. Call and response drill. I say English, you shoot back the Czech, loud and proud. I was.
Byl jsem.
You were, sing, to a man.
Byl jsi.
He was.
On byl.
She was.
Ona byla.
It was.
To bylo.
We were.
Byli jsme.
You were, plural.
Byli jste.
They were.
Byli.
Bonus gender tip. Speaking as a woman? Say.
Byla jsem.
Talking to a woman? Say.
Byla jsi.
Culture tip. Gender and groups. Tiny rule, huge payoff, sound native in seconds. Check marks gender in the past. If your group includes any man, use the masculine plural.
Byli.
E.g.
Byli jsme.
Tam. All female groups use.
Byli.
E.g.
Byli jsme.
Tam. For you plural. Mixed group.
Byli jste.
All female.
Byli jste.
For singular you. To a man.
Byl jsi.
To a woman.
Byla jsi.
Keep it friendly, keep it check. Pop quiz time. Quick fire. Answer, then I'll reveal. Q. Translate, he was late. A.
On byl.
Pazda. Q. Translate, we were ready. A.
Byli jsme.
Pripraveni. Q. Translate, it was perfect. A.
To bylo.
Perfectní. Q. Say, you were amazing, to a group. A.
Byli jste.
Úžasný. Q. Translate, they were at home. A.
Byli.
Doma. Q. Say, you were right, to your male friend. A.
Byl si.
V pravu. Q. Say, I was tired. Male speaker. A.
Byl jsem.
Unavený. Speed challenge. Repeat with the beat, don't overthink, just echo me. I was.
Byl jsem.
You were, SG.
Byl si.
He was.
On byl.
She was.
Ona byla.
It was.
To bylo.
We were.
Byli jsme.
You were, plural.
Byli jste.
They were.
Byli.
One more lap, faster.
Byl jsem. Byl si. On byl. Ona byla. To bylo. Byli jsme. Byli jste. Byli.
Thanks and next steps. You nailed it, past tense power unlocked. Thanks for listening, brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these lines in your diary.
Byl jsem.
Ellipsis comma quote quote.
Byli jsme.
And swap in the rest. For more lessons, downloads, and practice drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time, and yes, when you're done, you'll proudly say.
To bylo.
Skvělé.